that really piqued my interest was the course from Simplilearn was in partnership with Purdue University. And if a university of that stature is actually joining hands with Simplilearn, that means that the course would be definitely very reliable, and it's professionally delivered, and also of the North American standards. That's very, very important. And also this was a live classroom course, so that is one way you can actually connect with people from around the world. That's one thing. Hi, I'm Tarun, and I am based out of Calgary, Alberta. And my background, I would say, is a mix of engineering, management, a lot of sustainability, operations. So I did my engineering back in 2010, and post that I went on to do my MBA. And after that, I worked for more than 7 years in India and in various capacities. Majorly in operations. I think I came in 2019 to Calgary and did my second master's here at University of Calgary in business sustainability. My day-to-day role is purely into Power BI reporting, workflow mapping, stakeholder engagements. Although the university education does provide a lot of theoretical learning, but these certifications provide you the actual business acumen needed, especially the course that I did with Simplilearn, especially for the business analysis. Like earlier I was working, I knew there's something called as a business analyst, and they do is manage projects and do a lot of in-depth review for the stakeholders, finding the problem. All those things are very good, but when you actually start doing it, there's so many questions that are there. If you have a certified degree, that helps you get a short list, but if you have a certification like this business analyst, so that actually helps you a lot in the interview process and your day-to-day job. The way it was delivered, so the teacher and all the instructors were giving examples which are very neutral, and that was very important. I can very well go ahead and join a course from anywhere in Hong Kong, but those examples are not able to understand, so there's no point. Even though it was a live course and it was virtual, it didn't feel like that at all, because it was very interactive. The whole batch was very good. In the batch, there were around 26 students, and they all were dispersed from around the world. Throughout the journey, before I joined the course, there was a account manager assigned. That person was based out of US, and so the time difference definitely is out of the picture then, and was all there for any question I have. And the first project I got was like the major projects supervisor came to me and like, Tarun, I need to get rid of these Excel sheets. I'm like, okay, so that's your requirement. So I had some understanding of how to do the project, but not fully of how to execute it. And then once I did this course, I could see that it's not only the direct stakeholders who have a requirement, but then there are so many indirect stakeholders who have requirements. So when I started doing the course earlier, I only thought, okay, the major project supervisor is my main stakeholder, but turns out no. If I'm doing that, then there are other parties involved. And then there's something which we called as a requirement for stakeholders. Like especially we have seen that there's so much uncertainty going on in the market currently for employment. So getting these kind of certifications adds on to more credibility to your profile, but also if you have certifications which are from these unique courses, gives you an edge over the other peers that you have. Based out of Calgary, and one thing is definitely there, we have BAF, which is nearby, but 6 to 7 months in the year it snows, so that's pretty much the time we all are indoor. So during that time, only indoor activities like swimming is what makes me. And during the summer, I do a lot of hiking because we have lovely mountains around us. The short hikes, I'm also trying to teach hiking to my 2-year-old. and spending time with him also is like a full-time job after my regular job. So one thing for sure in this world is we cannot stop learning. There's so many things coming up each and every day. Here when I was in college, it was big data, and then it turns out to be Power BI, and then there's some new technology, and then keeps on coming, and now it's AI. There's always new things coming up, so we cannot stop learning.